guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you top things that every girl must own. I don't know how many things it would be, but I collected few things. So over the past I was just thinking which I need every time and I cannot do without them no matter what. So if you want to know about those things, so please let's jump into the video without wasting any time. So this is first thing I'm gonna begin with. This is face razor, and if you are new to my channel or if you don't know about this, so let me tell you about this. So this is Tinkle face razor and this is amazing. So I think every girl should have this in their backpack, and if you are traveling, you are doing this with care. You have to hold it like this and get rid of all the hairs around your nose, upper lips and forehead, wherever you want to. This is amazing, guys. You should definitely try this, and this is like a one-time investment. You know, you don't have to go through the pain. Like wax करवाते हैं कुछ लोग face पर, कुछ thread करवाते हैं. So this is like a one-time investment. You should definitely try this. And मैंने देखा जो लोग wax करवाते हैं face पे red bumps पड़ जाते हैं, और you know किसी किसी की बहुत सेंसिटिव स्किन होती है तो वो बहुत लूज हो जाती है. एंड गाइज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, मेकअप एप्लीकेशन गो फ्लॉलेस इफ यू डोंट हैव हेयर्स ऑन योर फेस. एंड गाइज, हु वांट्स हेयर्स ऑन योर फेस? Tell me. So the next product is life changing, my girls, who really gets bad cramping, and this is something my mother got for her back, because that time her back really got hurt, and then I started using this on the tummy, and this is really life changing and it's really helped me a lot. This is like a heating pad, and this is not a regular heating pad where you have to put water. That's like very scary. This come in the form of gel and it's like a cloth material. All you want to do is 3 pins stick here and connect it to the plug point, and it goes red, and then it starts heating up, and after 2 minutes what you want to do is just take out this plug point and then shut it, put it on your tongue. This will absolutely change the game for you all. And take a painkiller, whatever you like, and you have extremes, so you can use this heating pad. So the next thing that every girl must own is a scarf. And if you are an office going girl or a school going girl, and if you are going out regularly, so I think this is must. And if you style your hair, you know, very well, and if you don't want to mess it up, so you can, you know, wrap it around your hair like this. So girls, always carry scarf. You can tuck it on your backpack or you can put it in your bag. Like if you are traveling and if you are feeling cold, you are not feeling comfortable, so you can wrap it around you, feel comfortable, and I think it's multi-purpose. You should definitely carry this. This is must. The next thing is power bank. You should definitely have this while traveling. Just throw it in your backpack, college bag, you know, office bag, wherever you are going. So I think वो must है. And this is not a social media thing, it's an emergency thing. You should definitely have this. First, make sure you have battery in your phone, and at some point you lost somewhere and you need your map and you don't have battery in your phone, so make sure you have battery option, you have battery backup. So I think this is the very important thing that every girl or every boy should have. So girls, the next thing is black and nude bra that every girl must own. And no matter what, you buy lacy bra or sexy bra, just go ahead and buy it. And girls, if you don't buy it, so it doesn't really matter, as long as you have nude and black bra, that's enough. 2 bras are enough, and I can run on this for the rest of my life. Next thing is every girl must own, that is black dress. And I'm sure everyone have one black dress that, you know, आप कहीं पर भी पहन सकते हैं इसको, कहीं पर भी किसी भी पार्टी में. आपको कुछ सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यू जस्ट कैन, यू नो, डिफरेंट तरीके से आप ड्रेसअप कर सकते हैं. एंड इफ़ यू डोंट नो व्हाट टू वियर, सो यू जस्ट नीड ब्लैक ड्रेस ऑफ एनी ब्रांड, एंड दिस इज़ फ्रॉम मैडम. Yes, this is from Madam, and I love this dress. This is tight fitting dress, and I know if we wear in a multiple occasion, it still look gorgeous. So I can carry jacket on top of it with sneakers, keep it casual, and I can carry heels with jewelry and keep it formal and beautiful. So the next thing is deodorant that every girl must own. Definitely you can use your favorite one, but if you are looking for good deodorant, so definitely try this out, Secret Temptation. This smells so fresh and you will feel fresh 24 hours. And when I'm walking past a lot of young girls, you know, you may look perfect, your makeup, your dressing sense, you know, your hairstyle, but if you don't smell right, so none of that matters. So deodorant must have. Please use deodorant, it's very important. So the next thing that every girl must own is lip balm. This is Nykaa lip balm lip crush, and I don't like color in lip balm, so मैं without color ही लेती हूँ. And this is amazing. You should definitely use lip balm to keep your lips hydrated, because इतना सारा लिपस्टिक लगाने के बाद आपके लिप्स में क्रैक्स आ जाते हैं. So उसके लिए आपको definitely use करना चाहिए. For sure you need to own this. So the next thing that every girl must own, that is fitted pair of jeans. This is from Kraus, size 32. And I'm pretty sure that Zara has really nice jean collection. Expensive but beautiful fitted pair of jean is must that every girl should have. And you can pair it with crop top, off shoulder top, t-shirts, and it make you look so nice and you will feel so confident. And I think fitted pair of jean, every girl should have this perfect fitted pair of jeans. So the next thing that every girl must own is wipes. And I use this Himalaya baby wipes because ये बहुत soft होते हैं sensitive skin के लिए. And this is must, guys. You never know when you need your wipes. So I use this for everything, for my makeup off, to clean my face. So I use this for everything. So you should definitely have these wipes. So the next thing is white sneaker that every girl must own. This is I got from Chandigarh. I don't remember the name of the shop. I think every girl must own a white pair of sneakers, and it goes with you know, jean, with short dress, with shorts, and you can wear anything, whatever you want. ये white sneakers सबके साथ जाता है, and I think you should definitely have this. So the last thing is lipstick, and this is my go-to lipstick, Matte Mousse from Oriflame, and I wish every girl should have go-to one lipstick जो फेवरेट वाला होता है. So this is my go-to lipstick, and this is almost finished. So I wish and I hope every girl should have go to one lipstick. So guys, this is all I have for you, and if you think अगर कोई चीज़ रह गई है, so please let me know in the comment section. I really want to know कि कौन सा चीज़ ऐसा रह गया है. मैंने अपनी साइड से हर एक चीज़ कवर अप करने की कोशिश की है. And thanks for watching this video, and if you like, so please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and love you all.